Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we'll continue doing these problems. We did this one. Now we'll go to the next one. Find the general solution. Find the general solution of this equation. Okay. Yeah, when it comes to my mind, should be exact. He said it's exact. Okay. Okay. So I have partial f with partial x is 1 plus y axy. Partial f with partial y equal to y plus x axy. I'll start with this one. So I have f of x on y equal what? I'm integrating with respect to x plus exy. Derivative of this, give me this, very clear. Plus function of y. So partial f with partial y, I have what? X axy plus g prime of y. And that should be equal to y plus x axy. So g prime of y equal to y. So g of y is y squared. So f of x and y will be what? X plus axy plus y squared. Solution, f of x and y equals c, which is this one. Yeah, this is missing what? Missing x. Okay, so we have what? I let p to be y prime, y double prime, which is dp by dx, will be dp by dy times p. Okay, by the chain rule. Plug it. I have what? P dp by dy equals to y p cubed. So I have dp over b squared equal to y dy. Okay. So I have minus 1 over p equal y squared plus c. In other words, p is minus 1 over y squared plus c. What is p? P is y prime. So I have dy over dx equal minus 1 over y squared plus c. I cannot integrate that. Yeah, but this one, now it's a differential equation. If you notice, if I write it this way, I'm getting separable. So I can solve it now. So integrate, I have y cubed over 3 plus cy equal minus x plus another constant, call it p. Multiply by 3. So I have y cubed, 3c, call it a, equal minus 3x plus 3d. Take it to the other side. So I have y cubed plus ay plus 3x minus 3d equals 0. Call this p. Constant, another constant. So this is the answer. Okay. Now he doesn't want it solved. He wants me to transfer it into linear. It means it should be Bernoulli. Okay. Y prime. Not always, but yeah, usually like that. The 2 over xy equal 5 over x squared y cubed. Okay. So it's Bernoulli with n equal 3. So u is y is minus 2. 1 minus 3, which is y is minus 2. So u is minus half, yeah, equals y. So du over dx will be equal minus half u is minus 3 over 2 du over dx. Plug it. I have minus half u is minus 3 over 2 du over dx minus, wait a minute. Be careful now. Calculation. N equals 3. Okay. U equal y is minus 2. Okay. U equal y is minus 2. U equal y over 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Now take to the power minus half. So this is, so dy over dx will be equal minus half u is minus 3 over 2 du over dx. Correct. Okay. Now let me continue. This is minus, or minus, this is will be plus 2 over x u to the power minus half. That will be 5 over x squared u to the power minus 3 over 2. I need to get rid of this, so multiply by minus 2 u to the power 3 over 2. That give me what? Du over dx, call it v, call it u, it's okay. Minus 4 over x u equal minus 10 over x squared. What is this? Find the general solution of this. Easy one. It seems to be x plus y plus 1. So we have dy equal dy over dx will be 1 plus dy over dx. Plug it. I have du over dx plus minus 1 equals square root of u. Okay. So I have du equal over dx 1 plus square root of u. I have du over 1 plus square root of u equal dx. Now this is separable. But now we need to integrate this. Yeah. So let me do the integral here. Du over 1 plus square root of u. Yeah. One trick to do, I multiply by square root of u and square root of u. So if I let v 1 plus square root of u, dv will be what? 1 over 2, 1 over 2, no. It will be 1 over 2. Wait a minute, 1 over 2 root u. So I need 2, not root 2, 2 root 2. Which is, this will be my dv. So that will be 2. If v equal 1 plus square root of u, minus square root of u is v minus 1. So integral, this is v minus 1 over v dv. Which is what? Take the 2 outside. I have 1 minus 1 over v dv, which is 2 times v minus ln of v plus c. I don't need the plus c, but it's okay. So v is 1 plus the square root of u. So this integral will be 2, 1 plus the square root of u. Is it? No, v, which is 1 plus the square root of u. Okay. 2 times v minus ln v minus ln 1 plus the square root of u. Okay. That will be equal x plus c. Now that means I have 2 plus 2 root x plus y plus 1 minus 2 ln 1 plus square root x plus y plus 1 equal x plus c. These two, I can take it to the other side, so I have c minus 2, and we call it c. So I'm getting 2 square root of this minus 2 ln of this equal x plus c minus 2, and I call it c. So this is my answer. Okay. Pick one with the constant, with these two. Solve this. Yeah, the first thing seems, it's exact. Okay. So this is partial f with partial x. Partial f with partial y equal this. Okay. Yeah. Let's start with one. Which one easier? Yeah, I can start with this one. Be careful. Partial f with partial. No, I need to integrate. So f of x and y will be what? This one. Y, I can take it as a constant. This is 2x with this one. It gives me y sine x squared. Y just a constant. Sine x squared is what? Cosine derivative. Cosine x squared 2x, which is this one. Plus x squared over 2 plus function of y. You can do it by substitution, or you can do it quickly like this one. So now partial f with partial y would be what? Sine x squared plus g prime of y. That equal y squared over 1 plus y plus sine x squared. So that means g prime of y will be this. How to deal with this integral? Yeah, you need the long division to do that. So you have y squared over 1 plus y or over y plus 1, easier. That will be y. I have y squared plus y. Yeah, method of calculation minus y. So you have minus 1. I have minus y minus 1. That will be plus plus. So it will be 1. So this one is y minus 1 minus or plus 1 over 1 plus y. Okay, so integrate it. So g of y will be y squared over 2 minus y plus ln 1 plus y. Yeah, I plug it in f. So f of x and y will be what? Y sine x squared plus x squared over 2 plus y squared over 2 minus y plus ln 1 plus y. Solution f of x, y equals c. I will not write f again. That will be my answer. Yeah, be careful with the calculation. Just the integration, I need to be careful about it. Let a be 2 constant. Find AB, so that's exact. So partial m with partial y equal partial n with partial x. Be careful. Now what I have? Ax. I have what here? All of this is a plus b sine 2x. I think we did something similar. Okay. That should be equal to x plus 2b minus, not plus. 2b sine x cosine x. I differentiate cosine. Yeah, it's same idea. So a equal to, this one is what? 2x minus b sine 2x. So you have a equal to, and a plus b equals minus b. So it means 2b equal minus a. A equal 2, so b equal minus a over 2, which is minus 1. That would be the answer. Solve the exact. He said it's exact, so I need to do calculation. Now, okay, partial f with partial x. They have partial f with partial y. Okay, what will be f of x and y? That will be integration of this. Y equal x squared plus xy minus x tan y plus function of y. Now, partial f with partial y will be x squared plus x. Is it? Yeah. Minus tan y plus g prime of y. There is something wrong somewhere. Partial f with partial x is this. Integrate. We have yx squared plus xy minus x tan y plus function of y. Y, that will be x minus tan y plus g prime of y. Okay. X tan square y plus secant square y. 2xy integrate back to x. Differentiate, you have 2xy plus y minus tan y. What is the catch? Okay. Partial m is x squared minus x tan square y plus secant square y. Okay, let me just deal with this one a little bit. That will be x squared minus x. I know in 1 plus tan square is equal secant square y. Okay, so tan square y is what? Secant square y minus 1. So it will be x squared minus x secant square y plus x plus secant square y. Okay. Still I have tan y here. So partial f with partial y will be x squared plus x minus tan y plus g prime of y. Okay, I have x. I need to get rid of this x. Minus x tan. So xy plus y minus tan y integrated yx squared xy. No, sorry. Be careful here. Yeah. What's the calculation? This one will be what? Minus x secant square y plus g prime of y. So I want this to be equal to this. Now it's okay. This is equal to this. So I'm getting what? G prime of y. This one should equal partial f. Yeah, should equal to this one. Yeah, I need to manipulate the calculation. This one cancelled. This one cancelled, and this one cancelled. So g prime of y equals secant square y. So g of y will be tan y. So my f of x and y will be what? Will be yx squared plus x minus tan y plus y. And my solution, f of x, y equals. Double check the answer. That will be. Where is it? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, verify it's exact and then check. Okay, so first I need to rewrite it. That will be 1 plus ln x plus y over x dx minus 1 minus ln x dy equals 0. So this is my m And this is my n, partial m with partial y to check. We said verify. Will be what? 1 over x. And partial n with partial x, it will be also 1 over x. So it's exact. To solve, I have partial f with partial x. Yeah, I need to be careful with the calculations, yeah. And partial f with partial y is 1 minus 1 plus ln x. I'll start with this one. So I have f of x and y will be what? Minus y plus y ln x. So partial, yeah, plus function of x. So partial f with partial x, that will be what? Y over x plus h prime of x, which it should equal 1 plus ln x plus x. So I have h prime of x is 1 plus ln x. What will be h of x? It will be x plus x ln x minus x, which is x ln x. So f of x and y will be what? Minus y plus y ln x plus x ln x. Solution, f of x, y equals c, which is y ln x minus y plus x ln x. Yes, is equal to c. That's good. Okay, next one. Transfer into separable. Yeah, seems to be it's homogeneous. Let me check it. X squared dy over dx equal y cubed over x plus xy. Can I write it as what? Y cubed over x plus xy times dx equal x squared dy. In other words, y cubed over x plus xy dx minus x squared du is equal to 0. Very clear, this is homogeneous. Homogeneous. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Okay. So I let y equal ux, so I can have only one product here. So I have u cubed x cubed over x plus ux squared dx minus x squared. Now it will be dy. U dx plus x du times u dx plus x du equals 0. Yeah, I did the calculation. That will be u cubed x squared dx plus ux squared minus ux squared d. This is dx. D ux squared dx minus ux squared dx minus x cubed du. That should equal 0. So what we have, these cancelled, and they have u cubed x squared dx equal x cubed du. So I have what? Du or u cubed equal what? Divided by u cubed, here divide dx over x, which is simple. Okay, solve this equation. I need to figure out this is what. Yeah. It seems to me Bernoulli. Okay. Let me rewrite it. X dy over dx minus y equal minus x then x y squared. Yeah. So that will make it very clear, Bernoulli. So that dy over dx minus 1 over xy equal minus ln x y square. So it's Bernoulli with n equal 2. So u y is minus 1. So u is minus 1 equal y. So you have dy over dx is minus u is minus 2 du over dx. Multiply here, I have minus u is minus 2 du over dx minus 1 over x u is minus 1 equal minus ln x u is minus 2. Multiply by minus u square. That give me what? Du over dx multiply plus 1 over x u equals what? Ln x. Okay. Integrating factor. A1 over x dx would give me x. So I have x du over dx plus u equal x ln x. Okay. That means d over dx of xu equal x ln x. So that means xu, I need to integrate this. To do that, I need integration by parts. If we do integration by parts, you will get what? Yeah, let me do it here. Integral x ln x dx. So let u ln x dv x dx. So v is x squared over 2 and du equal dx over x. So this integral uv, which is half x squared ln x, yeah, minus half integral of x dx. Yeah, x squared, that will be x dx. So it will be 1 over 2 x squared ln x. This will be x squared over 2, so it will be minus 1 over 4 x squared plus c. So I plug it here. That gives me half x squared ln x minus 1 over 4 x squared plus c. Multiply by x by 1 over x. So I have u, which is y is minus 1. So I have y is minus 1. Divide by x. I have half x ln x minus 1 over 4 x plus c x is minus 1. Yeah, I can leave it like this, or I can y equal 1 of this. 1 over that. Yes. Okay. This one is what? Yeah, it seems to be Bernoulli. You see this situation transferred into linear. Yeah, if it seems to be Bernoulli. Ready ones. Bernoulli. With n equal to. So u equal y is minus 1. Correct. 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So u is minus 1 equal y. So dy over dx is minus u is minus 2 du over dx. Plug it. I have minus u is minus 2 du over dx plus 1 over x. U is minus 1 equal u is minus 2. Multiplied by minus u squared. I have du over dx minus 1 over xu equal minus 1. So this is linear. Okay. Next one uses the substitution to find the separable differential equation from this. So I have xy dy equal y squared minus x squared dx. Very clear it's homogeneous, or like this. So it's homogeneous. 2, 2, 2. That's homogeneous. Do the calculation. I will let y equal ux. So dy equal u dx plus x du. So I have only one product here. Okay. Substitute. I have u squared x squared minus x squared dx minus u x squared times u dx plus x du equals 0. Do the calculation. U squared x squared dx minus x squared dx minus u squared x squared dx minus u x cubed du equals 0. This is cancelled. So I have u squared x squared dx equal u x cubed du. So the du, I have what? Here I have dx over x, and here I have du over u. Okay. Just to be sure I have the correct one. And if they are done. Whether to solve it? No, just change it into. I did this one. Yeah, you have what? U squared x squared dx equal ux cubed. Okay. Did they do any mistake? xy dy equal this. So I have y squared minus x squared times dx minus xy. I put y equal ux. I have u squared x squared. Okay, minus x squared dx minus x times ux, u x squared times u dx plus x du. U squared x squared dx minus x squared dx. Why I killed this? Sorry. Yeah. I'm killing this with this. Yeah. Minus x squared dx. Yeah, be careful with the calculation always. So I have x squared dx with the minus sign, that will be u x cubed du. So I have u du equal minus dx over x. That will be my answer. I canceled this one instead of this one. So I need to be careful. Okay. Solve the differential equation. Yeah, what will come to my mind, it's exact. So first I need to rewrite it. Minus x cosine xy minus a2x dy equals 0. It cannot be linear, it cannot be Bernoulli, cannot be homogeneous. So it comes also separable. It's very complicated. Be separable. So I think it's exact. Let me check. Partial m with partial y, it will be what? 2a dx, 2e to the power 2x. Then it will be what? I have minus cosine xy. It's not exact also. Okay. Yeah, partial m, it will be 2e dx, 2e to the power 2x, yeah, minus this. Now this one is what? So I have minus y times what? X minus sine xy. Yeah, we can the calculation. That's it. That will be what? 2e to x minus cosine xy plus xy sine xy. Let me check partial n with partial x. That will be what? Don't forget the minus sign. So I have minus cosine xy. Now do the same here. So I have minus x times minus sine xy times y. Minus 2 e plus e to x. So it's 2e to x minus cosine xy. That will be plus xy sine xy. So it's exact. Good. How to solve it? I start with, I think I will start with this one easier. Partial f with partial x will be this long one, 2y e to x minus y cosine xy plus 2x, and partial f with partial y will be e to x minus x cosine xy. Let's start with this one with partial f with partial y. So f of xy will be what? E to x times y minus x minus sine xy. You can do it by substitution. Also, you can check it. That will be cosine xy derivative with respect to y, which is x. It's correct. Plus function of x. Using right h. So that implies partial f with partial y will be what? E to x partial f with partial x, sorry. Partial f with partial x. I check it to be equal to this. Huh? So partial f with partial x, that will be 2y e to x minus y cosine xy plus h prime of x. That equal 2y e to x minus y cosine xy plus 2x. So very clear, h prime of x will be 2x. So I have h of x equal x squared. So f of x and y will be e to xy minus sine xy plus x squared. Solution, f of xy equals c. Yeah. Sometimes you need to be careful in the calculation. Use a suitable set of substitution. Let me rewrite it. dy over dx for x plus 2y over 3 minus x 2y. Very clean. I will let u equal what? X plus 2y. So du over dx will be 1 plus 2 dy over dx. Okay. So I want dy over dx to rewrite it here. So I have what? 2 dy over dx is du over dx minus 1. So dy over dx will be half du over dx minus half. So that will be half du over dx minus half equal what? U over 3 minus u. Okay. So that means what? Du over dx minus 1 equal 2u over 3 minus u. So du over dx will be equal what? 2u over 3 minus u plus 1. And that is what? 2u plus 3 minus u over 3 minus u, which is 3 plus u over 3 minus u. So I'm getting du over dx. He doesn't want it to solve it, just change it to separable, equal 3 plus u over 3 minus u, which I can rewrite as 3 minus u over 3 plus u du equal dx, which is separable now. Okay. Solve the differential equation. Let's solve this. Need to do some calculation. Yeah, this seems to be Bernoulli, where I have x dy, let me write the equation first, plus 2y minus x cubed cosine xy squared. Now, very clear Bernoulli. So I divide by x, I have dy over dx plus 2 over xy equal minus x squared cosine xy squared. So this is Bernoulli with n equal to, so y is minus 1, so u is minus 1 equal y, so dy over dx equal minus u is minus 2 d over dx. Plug it, I have minus u is minus 2 d over dx plus 2 over x over xy, which is u is minus 1 equal minus x squared cosine x u is minus 2. Multiply by minus u squared. I'm getting what? D over dx minus 2 over x u equal x squared cosine x. Okay. That will lead us to what? Yeah. This is linear now. Integrating factor will be e minus 2 over x dx, which is x is minus 2. Multiply, I have x minus 2 d over dx minus 2x is minus 3u equal cosine x. Okay, that make it better. So I have d over dx of x is minus 2u equal cosine x, which I integrate. I have x is minus 2u is equal sine x plus c. So u is what? X squared sine x plus cx squared. But what is u? Is y is minus 1. So that would be the answer. Or I can write it y equal 1 of this. I think. Or I can write it y 1 over this. If you want like the explicit solution. Okay. Solve this differential equation. Yeah, is it the same one as this one? Yeah, plus or minus. Okay. So it seems to me it's exact. So check. This is M. This is N. Yeah, by the way, it's not. Let me rewrite it. X e to y minus x squared dx plus x squared e to y plus ey dy equals 0. So partial m to partial y, it will be what? 2x e to y. That's it. Partial n with partial x, it will be 2x e to y. So they are the same. So it's exact. So now I have partial f with partial x is this, and partial f with partial y is the other one. I'll start with one of them. Let me start with this. So I have f of x and y, integral of this, which is x squared in terms of x, e to y minus x cubed over 3, plus function of y. That means partial f with partial y will be what? X squared e to y. This is 0, 0, plus g prime of y. That should equal to this. So g prime of y will be e to the power y. So g of y will be e to the power y. So my f will be this. And what is will be my solution? F of x, y equals c. Okay. Yeah. Let me continue. Solve this homogeneous. He said it's homogeneous. Okay. So I have x, y, dy equal x squared plus y squared dx, where I can rewrite it, x squared plus y squared dx minus xy dy equals 0. Let's see how many. Still, we have many problems. Okay. Yeah. This one, it's homogeneous, very clear. And I will let y equal ux. So dy u dx plus x du. Plug it. So the equation becomes what? We have x squared plus u squared x squared dx minus ux squared u dx plus x du equals 0. So I have what? X squared plus u squared. I have x squared dx plus u squared x squared dx minus u squared x squared dx minus u x cubed du. That will be 0. Cancel this with this, huh? Don't do the same mistake. So I have x squared dx equal u x cubed du. So I have u du equal dx over x. So I have u squared over 2 equal ln absolute value of x plus c. Okay. This one. Let me be careful about the calculation. U squared, u is what? U is y over x. So I have y squared over 2x squared equal ln absolute value of x plus c. Okay. Now substitute y at e equal to e. Okay. X is e, y is 2e. So I have what? 4e squared over 2e squared equal ln e plus c. X is e, y is 2e. So that means what? I have 2 equals 1 plus c, so c equal 1. So the solution will be y squared over 2x squared equal ln absolute value of x. Yeah. Let me finish with these two. We're using an appropriate substitution. Okay. Let me rewrite it. 3, 1 plus x squared dy over dx equal to x, y cubed minus 1. It seems to be it's one only. So I have 3, 1 plus x squared dy over dx minus 2xy. So that will be plus 2xy equal to x, y to the power 4. Yeah, it's one only. Let me rewrite it. I have dy in the form 2x plus 2x over 3, 1 plus x squared y equal to x over 3, 1 plus x squared y to the power 4. Okay, that's very clear, this Bernoulli. with n equal 4. So u equal y is minus 3. So u is minus 1 over 3 equal y. So dy over dx equal minus 1 over 3 yu is minus 4 over 3 du over dx. That give me what? Minus 1 over 3 u is minus 4 over 3. This is 4, huh? Du over dx plus 2x over 3, 1 plus x squared, y, which is u is minus 1 over 3. Yeah. 3, 1 plus x squared, u is minus 4 over 3. I need to multiply by minus 3, u is 4 over 3. What you will get? You'll get du over dx. You want me to solve it, huh? Okay, let me continue. Yeah. Minus 2x over 1 plus x squared u, that should equal minus 2x over 1 plus x squared. And that is linear. Yeah, is it the same equation I'm getting? Yeah. Okay, so this is linear now. So integrating factor will be e is minus 2x over 1 plus x squared dx, which is what? Which is, this is u, I need a minus sign, e is minus, and then 1 plus x squared, which is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Multiply by this, so I have 1 over 1 plus x squared, du over dx, minus 2x. Yeah. And multiply by 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay. 1 plus x squared u, that give me minus 2x over 1 plus x squared. Okay. Multiply by seems to be there's a mistake here somewhere. Okay. Multiply by this. That will be the denominator when I divide. Okay. Yeah. So this one will be d over dx of 1 over 1 plus x squared u. But give me this equal this one. Not minus 2x. Why was it minus 2x? So I have what? 1 over 1 plus x squared u, integral of this. If this is u, this is du. Okay, I have integral. If this is u, this is du with the minus, right? Take the minus sign out. That's minus, u is minus 2, which is 1 over u. So that, yeah, if we let u, let me do it here. Integral let u, not u, call it v. So not mix it with the other one. 1 plus x square dv will be 2x dx. So I have integral minus dv over v square, which is minus v is minus 2, which is giving me 1 over v. Give me 1 over 1 plus x square plus c. So this is giving me 1 over 1 plus x square plus c. Okay. So that means u is what? Will be 1 plus c, 1 plus x squared. And what is u? Is y is minus 3. So y is minus 3. 1 plus c, 1 plus x squared. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated calculation. You need to practice these integrals and those things. Let me finish by this one. He said, prove it's exact. Show it's exact. So I have partial m with partial y is 2 partial y. Don't forget partial y. That will be 1 over x. And partial n with partial x, also it will be 1 over x. So it's exact. How to solve it? I have partial f with partial x is this one. And they have partial f with partial y is this one. I think I'll start with this one easier. So I have f of x and y will be y squared, starting with this one. Plus y then x plus y plus function of x. F prime or partial f with partial x will be what? Y over x plus h prime of x. And that should be equal to x plus ln x plus y over x. So h prime at x is what? 2x plus ln x. So h of x, integral of that will be x squared plus x ln x minus x. So my f of x and y will be y squared plus y ln x plus y plus x squared plus x ln x minus x. And the solution will be f of x and y equals c. That will be the answer. Yeah, let me stop the recording. Yeah, thank you.